Yeah, and American Muscle carries our products and our tuning services, so we want to make sure they've got all the right information. Here it is up here. Well, the training class doesn't start till tomorrow, so I figured we'd come over to their corporate offices and meet, come and see some of their video staff that we've worked with previously. Justin Dugan's a big fan of ours. We tune his car. We got to work with Stephanie on a project last year.
Kind of creepy, but if you're here for, what is it, 4 years, 5 years? 5 years, you get your face on a bowling ball. So, mine is, or it was, they kind of moved them around. There's stuff. We get a recurring complaint on like one of our house-made products. The guys will get in and try to troubleshoot it and see what the issue is.
That was pretty funny when Justin took the Gen 3 sticker and laid it on top of his current blower.
Yeah, I think it would be great if we could get an actual Gen 3 on there.
Well, I've been talking to him about doing a Gen 3 swap for a little while now.
Yeah, I think it's a obvious next choice for him. He's got the Roush head unit on there, and I think it would be a great upgrade for him. He's gone 1060 with the car the way that it is now on an MT82, and I think that's really great, but I think our new blower could really give him better performance.
So that would be, I mean, putting the Gen 3 on his car, he would now have the potential for a lot more power in the future, because that's the same blower that you ran how fast with?
It went 80 at 166.
You say that like that's just a walk in the park.
Well, I hope it goes faster soon.
Well, you know how we love to troubleshoot drivability problems by doing donuts.
It's one of our favorite tools.
All right, you saw it here. We get donuts in the rental car.
Okay, so anyways.
So how about that training class?
Yeah, I think that we had great interaction from all the CSRs and everybody that was involved in the training, and we were able to give them a lot of information. We got great feedback from them on things that we've changed and have helped the process with working with American Muscle, and I think it was really insightful.
Yeah, I mean, we got to learn about, you know, if we were meeting their expectations and their customer expectations.
For sure.
And that presentation that you and Matt put together worked really well.
It was pretty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that led into what we did today. We met with Craig and Austin at the corporate headquarters and planned out what we're going to be doing in the future.
They're going to get the whole VMP line up on the American Muscle website, make sure it's formatted properly with the right pictures.
The right products.
Yeah, right prices, so just everything goes smoothly when they place orders.
Yeah, we're excited to be bringing even more of our offerings to more people through American Muscle. Like, share, and subscribe to keep up with what's going on in VMP.